Sit straight, or you can do in the lying down position. Be aware of your breathing. Be aware of the upper body. And feel the relaxation in the upper body. With every exhale, feel the relaxation. With every inhale, feel positive energy is coming. And with every exhale, feel the relaxation. Be aware of your both hands. And relax. Be aware of your chest, your heart and lungs. And relax with a smile. Be aware of your lower back, your abdomen, all the internal organs. Relax and smile. Be aware of your lower legs. Smile and relax. A beautiful smile. Smile. And the feeling of this smile and relaxation is becoming a memory. So many times in the day, you can smile and relax. You just remember the feeling of meditation and smile and relax. Imagine yourself at 7 a.m. We will be visualizing tomorrow's day, complete day. Imagine what you are doing at 7 a.m. and suddenly you see the time. You smile and relax because you are again in this vibration. At 9 a.m., see yourself busy in some work, and the 9 a.m. alarm rings. You close the alarm, smile and relax. It is 11 a.m., a normal day of yours. A small beep beep alarm rings. You smile, close the alarm and feel the relaxation. No one knows why you are smiling. No one asks why you are smiling. But it is our secret. It's a top secret. You can go into this vibration, into this feeling any time in the day. It is 1 o'clock now. Your alarm beeps. You close the alarm, smile, and go into this feeling of calmness. Why we are doing this? When we create some feeling, so we want to make that feeling permanent. When we want to make it permanent, we have to repeat it again and again. Maybe just for 2 seconds. It will help. So it's 3 o'clock. A beautiful ringtone is there on your phone. You close the alarm, smile, and relax. Remember this smile. This is our secret smile. We know the secret. It's 5 o'clock. Alarm, snooze, or stop, smile, and relax. 7 p.m. Alarm, snooze, smile, and relax. 9 p.m. What you will be doing in your house as a routine. But the alarm rings and you immediately stop it and smile and relax. Just by remembering few times during the day for 2 to 3 seconds, this feeling of calmness will go deep. And now be aware of your body again, your breathing again. Be aware of your spine, root chakra, the lowest part, and chant Lam. Lam. And say, I am safe. I am secure. I am stable in my life. I am stable and secure in health, in relations, in my money, and in my career also. I am growing. Now, bring your awareness slightly above your root chakra, that is the area of lower back and lower abdomen. This is Swadhisthana chakra. Chant Vam. Vam. Once more. Vam. say, I honor my emotions and I allow to flow my emotions like water. I am so creative. Many creative ideas come to my brain. I am joyful. I deserve abundance. I deserve happiness. And smile and relax and feel the calmness. Now bring your awareness at the level of solar plexus chakra, which is at the level of your umbilicus, into the area of middle back, and chant the mantra Ram. Ram. Feel the vibration in the area of upper abdomen and back, and do the chanting again with the smile. Ram. And say, I am confident. I am powerful. I am capable. I work towards my goals. I trust my decisions. My inner light shines brightly. And feel relaxed with a smile. Now bring your awareness to the center of your heart, the heart chakra. Chant the Bij mantra Yam. Yam. Feel the vibration with the smile. Vam. Sorry, it is Yam. Yam. And smile and relax. And say, I love and accept myself the way I am. मैं जो भी हूँ, जैसे भी हूँ, अपने आप को प्यार करती हूँ या करता हूँ. I love and accept myself the way I am. I give love easily and I receive love easily. Smile and relax. My heart is a magnet for peace and kindness. Smile and relax. bring your awareness at the level of your throat. Bij mantra is hum, smile, relax, and chant. Hum. Again, smile, relax, and chant. Hum. And say, I speak truth with clarity. I speak truth with confidence. My voice is powerful. Smile, relax, because now you speak in relaxed voice and still feel powerful. It is possible that you can be relaxed and confident. You can be relaxed and powerful. And say, I listen to others with open heart and mind. Creativity and abundance flow through my communication. Smile and relax. You can do it any point of time in the day. Bring your awareness between your eyebrows and 2 inches deep. This is third eye chakra, Agya chakra. Chant the mantra Om. Om. Smile and relax. Feel the vibration of Om when we chant it again. Once more. Smile, relax, and chant. And say the intuition, say the affirmation. My intuition is strong. I trust my intuitions. I can see life clearly. With wisdom, my mind is calm. I am connected with the universe. And this is such a good feeling. You just smile and relax. Now, bring your awareness to the crown chakra, slightly above your head. Sahasrara chakra, 1000-petal lotus, which is opening up in the area of your crown chakra. Chant the Bij mantra Om. Om. Once more. Smile. Feel the vibration. And chant. At the level of energy, we are all connected. There is no separation between me and you. Feel the connection. As you feel the connection, smile and relax. And feel the connection with your God. And see, with this connection, God is guiding you, helping you. With so much of clarity. And with a smile, say, I trust the divine plan. I trust the flow of life. As we say in Hindi, जेहि विधि राखे राम तेहि विधि रहियो. जैसे भगवान हमें रखते हैं, हम तैयार हैं. That is called trust in the divine plan. So many times in the day, you can smile and you will feel the same feeling of peace and relaxation. Hold this feeling in each and every cell of your body. Remember it in the core of your heart. This is your feeling. This is real you. Slowly bring your awareness back. Be aware of your breathing. Move your fingers. Move your hands. Move your legs. Move your toes. Gently, with a smile, rub your hands. Put on your eyes, your face. And whenever you are comfortable, you can open your eyes. You can now unmute and tell, do you remember the feeling of smile and relaxation?
Yes, ma'am. Feel calm and relaxed.
Can you smile 10 times tomorrow
Yes, ma'am.
and have this feeling of relaxation along with this?
Smile and relaxation.
Ye-
Tomorrow 10 times. Today onwards we are doing.
yes.